Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video we're going to discuss about how to use the Google spreadsheet Vlookup function. And if you're familiar with Vlookup, Google Vlookup is exactly the same as in Excel. So let's start with it. So I just go a quick demo. So imagine here we have some values, and our values is here a list of fruits. So we say apples, oranges, and we have watermelon, melons. Alright, and we have some sales items. So 10 apples sold, 20 oranges, and 30 melons. And what we want to do is we want to get the value of melons here. So how do we do that? Well, with VLOOKUP, we just type in here equal VLOOKUP, exactly the same in Excel. We type this in, and if you want to have what I call a formula builder, you can see here. You can see it, or you just click on this. Yes, once you click on it, you can see here all the description. So where are we now? The search key. As you can see, it points out search key, the value to search for. So in our case, we want to find melons, and we want to get the matching value of melon, which is number 30. So let's select this, comma, and then we select the range. So the range is just all the, I guess it's the table. You can call it a table with all the values where you want to search through. Once you did that, comma, index, and the index, you can see here, the index is based on the column. So in this case, we have here, this is column number 1, and this is column number 2. So our table only have 2 columns, so, and we want the value of the second column. So we say number 2 here. Once we did this, we can do comma here, false. By default, it is always false unless different. So what's the difference? If it's a range VLOOKUP, we have right now an exact match, meaning we want melons exact, but imagine you want to have something between 20 and 30, then you can work with ranges. However, in our situation, it is not what we want. So we say false, we can just put in 0 for false, and then you're done. We're done here, enter. And now you can see this changes to number 30. So let's change this to apples. And what happens then? Then we get the VLOOKUP for apples, and the value, the matching value is number 10. And that is basically how you can use the VLOOKUP function in Google Spreadsheets. And if you like tips and tricks regarding to this, check out the link in the description box. In there, you can find a nice Google Spreadsheet course. We're going more deeper with Google Spreadsheet to explore even more.